Alright guys, this is day 7. It's 5:10 a.m. Thursday, June 1st in Taiwan. Good times. Before I forget, people have asked me questions about my seat. I figured out the problem or a solution. I simply got a pillow and I put it on my chair. And actually that's very comfortable. So yes, so the whole time since I've been working here for like days and hours, I've been sitting on that thing. So the next time you guys go to a motel, one of the first thing you want to do is put your face down into a pillow. Keep that in mind that I've been sitting on this thing for fucking hours, days, farting and shit. Girls. Now, using a pillow for comfort is nothing new for me. It's been done before, so. I have actually, in the past, not in this hotel, but in another hotel, I have asked if they have any other chairs. All they did was basically provide another chair that's similar. They don't really have an office chair, you know? And even then, when you get like an office chair, they're not very comfortable, right? Because they're very budget oriented, which is a good example, a good tip actually for people that work on desks, you know? Don't skimp out on buying a good chair that you feel comfortable in. Sure, it could cost like $200 or whatever, but I mean, it'll be worth it. So yesterday, as you guys saw, I was merely just stuck in the room and, you know, I'm anyone now just to get food and, you know, to get a little bit of exercise and all this shit. Yeah, in fact, I'm not gonna do a morning walk. I got 3 videos to handle now. Since I already got food yesterday from that market, you know, I'll be good to go. Most likely, I'm gonna skip going out and getting breakfast with Paul. Mainly because like for time reasons, you know, it's like that 1 hour of me going out and hanging out with him and talking. I'd rather invest it here and get some work, today's work done, which is 3 videos. Yeah, tomorrow will be the last working day. Tomorrow Friday, and then Saturday I head home. Yeah, it's coming up quick, it's crazy. Yeah, I got the feeling I'm not gonna go to the convention, which I'm not, it doesn't bother me to be honest. It happens, yeah, it happens. It's all right. It's, I guess, yeah, it's 5:17 at the moment. My plan is like the 3 videos I got. It's a Computex, Corsair, and height. Yeah, I want to get those done by 2, you know? So yeah, like I said, I already got food, I already got my coffee, so, most likely Paul's gonna wanna go out and get some breakfast, but I'm probably gonna decline that so I can just stay here and work. And yeah, I wanna get that done. So anyways, yeah, I gotta get to work. See you in a bit, and snap. All right. It feels later for me, but it's 8:28 a.m. Shit. I'm thinking, oh, it's a good time to take a break. I thought it was later than this. It was actually 8:28. Fuck. Which is fine. I'm still working on the first video, Computex. I'm almost done with the rough cut, and then I just have to add B-roll. But this video is actually a little longer than I expected it to be. So, what's going on? Yeah, this is another day where I'm just gonna be stuck here, which is fine and expected, but I'm already running out of food. I already got 3 apples left and I already ate half of these fucking things. Don't judge me. If you guys have one of these things, you'll understand. These are too good, way too damn good. I guess something that most people don't know or I have to explain or whatever is like the voluntary isolation. I guess is the best way I can describe it. So I got 3 videos to work on. Like I said, I'm already working on 1, and then I got 2 more to finish, right? And then Paul, he's out doing his thing, and I think he's gonna aim to film 4 more videos, but he's not gonna drop them off till the afternoon. So it turns out like Paul's gonna have he wants to have dinner with like possibly the guys from Hardware Unboxed, right? Obviously I'm invited, but the thing is that me thinking about it is like, god damn it, I'd rather spend the extra time like working on whatever else. I mean, finish what I got, get the footage that he's gonna film today, and possibly finish at least 1 video or 2 that tonight before I go to bed, right? And then finish the rest by tomorrow morning, because I'd rather have tomorrow afternoon free so I can go and do whatever I need to do, have dinner, actually enjoy, to pay for one last night, because Saturday morning, I need to like get the fuck out of here. You know, because I have to check out, and then like, you know, I have to go to the airport and all the good stuff. I'm probably gonna go run to the store really quick and get like another coffee. I already drank both of those coffees I bought yesterday. All right, guys, about to go to the fucking store, and yeah, there's no gimbal right now, but here's why. And I hope I don't fucking scream, because I'm not used to these fucking things whatsoever. I think it's dead, but It's a spider. Well, some type of spider. Fuck. Oh, dude. Yeah, I think it's dead. Yeah, I'm being a total wuss right now. I had to kill it. Freaking me out now. Shit. So I just finished editing Computex, the video that I started on this morning. It's like gonna be 12:30 at the moment. It took me longer than I was hoping. It's like the thing about these videos, like sometimes like Paul doesn't usually know how much the reps they want to show him. There have been times where like certain computer companies, they just haven't really made anything new yet, or they're still in process of it, so they just got very little to show. So those videos are like super quick, right? But sometimes like, yeah, like vendors be like, oh, we're making like 50 fucking new things, and they want to show everything to Paul, and Paul has to like, cut them off and be like, oh, I can't do it no more. Those videos can take up more time because there's more shit to show. So yeah, those videos can take up more time. And yeah, I've been, again, since this morning, I've been stuck in the room. I only stepped outside to buy some more coffee. I'm buy another sandwich off like the local little mart here. I'm on my third one here. Shit. Most likely I'm gonna go out and get some more after this fucker because yeah, definitely gonna need the caffeine. I'm gonna respond to a question here since I'm taking a break. This one is from Rivethead. He says he's been loving my behind the scenes stuff. He's been enjoying it, along with like the tech content, really appreciate that. But he had a question about my laptop for editing, if I played any games on it, or is it just editing? Since I have a 4090 laptop version in this thing, like how does it perform? Well, as you can see, there's no fucking video game times whatsoever. Like once the convention starts, it's like non-stop work, right? It gets very busy. So I have no idea how it performs with gaming. So I assume good. Whatever. Fuck. But so far, like in regards to editing, it actually has been keeping up pretty well. It does a good job in that sense. Yeah, you hear like the fan noise when it gets hot and when it's rendering and shit like that. Just not that big of a deal. But so far, it keeps up very well. Everything's cool. I guess this is what I wanted to show because people ask me like, oh, what's it like to work, Paul, this and that. You must have a lot of fun doing this and that. Yeah, I have fun. You guys saw my early videos, the first 2 days I was here, but literally the past couple of days, I may have been stuck in this room, and then like, yesterday and today in particular, I'm definitely stuck in the room 100% of the time. It's just how it is. If you guys watched my stuff from like Vegas, and you guys noticed I've been drinking, well, at least now you can understand why, because I'm literally stuck in the fucking room, so I needed a mental stimuli. Instead of drinking, I started making videos, and then like, getting the comments, and then getting, keeping busy, socializing. Yeah, your comments have been a massive help, guys. I really do appreciate it, It was a very good idea to do this, and like, to make some time and like edit my own videos and like respond to questions, so yeah. But anyways, that's all I got. I need to get back to work. I'll see you guys in a bit. And snap. Just finished doing the rough cut for Corsair actually, and got hungry, and I just ran over to like across the street to type in 101, and I got one of these things. I wasn't gonna film this, but I figured, if I'm gonna be sharing everything that goes on with me, then might as well fucking film this. So it was like a last minute thing, but yeah, I just shredded chicken with some cabbage and rice, and that's mainly it for lunch. I already drank 3 of these goddamn things, but they're not doing it for me. So I just went back to the old American drug-fueled fucking caffeine cans, Red Bull. Let's crack this shit open. Cheers. Yeah. You kids want to be an editor? Here you go, man. Stuck in a fucking room. That's how it goes. If you guys are fucking sitting in your room playing video games, then in front of a computer, then you may look into a career of fucking editing. You'll still be in a room, be in front of a computer. Shit. The only difference is you won't be talking to anyone or playing with anybody besides yourself. I already answered Rivets' question. I'm gonna answer another one, and this is from Middle of Nowhere. And Middle of Nowhere asked, what's my average turnaround time based on the amount of content? What systems do I have in place to edit fast? I guess on average, if I was to give you a simple answer, it's simply I can do 3 videos a day in the room by myself, right? with the kind of content that we do, right? You do develop like a sense of like how long a video is gonna be depending how much you film, right? And Paul, he does have that, or like he's filming and then like after a while, like he'll tell the reps, the reps, they want to show you everything, right? But then Paul, it gets to a point where it's like, yeah, this video is starting to get long. Maybe you can show me 2 more things or 1 and that's it, right? Because he knows that, you know, more footage equals more time to edit, and the video could be too long, and like that's another thing. If a viewer sees that like the video could be past 20 minutes or so, then you know it could be a turn off because people don't want to watch that much of a video, right? That's just how it goes. So we try to keep it in, like underneath 15 minutes usually. Like for most videos, we want to aim for the 15-minute mark on average. But yeah, like a simple answer. Each video, I aim to like get it done in between 3 to 4 hours. The ones here, right? But in regards to, like I said, system, simply getting like the best footage possible to begin with in audio, that thing helps, right? But as simple as that sounds, it's not usually easy when you're busy working and, you know, running around and trying to keep up with your own personal schedule that you set up. But anyways, all right, that's it for this part. I need to get back to work. And snap. All right, as you expect, I'm still in the fucking room. So Paul just showed up and he dropped off. He did 3 videos actually. The 3 videos, but 2 of them are like booths smashed together, PNY and Noctua. And another video is MSI and Asus, I believe. Hopefully they're not too complicated to edit. But yeah. Originally I had plans to go out and get dinner or something like that. But yeah, fuck that. I got too much work to do to finish the night off, along with this shit that you're watching right now. But yeah, I'm probably gonna just end the video here, and I'm just gonna go run to the store and get something small to eat. But yeah, this is the worst. Well, when I say worst, this is just like the most extreme in the sense of like when I come to these events, then like, you know, I'm literally stuck in a room like all day. And like, yeah, usually I know this happens, so I plan ahead, and that's why, you know, I went to the store yesterday and I got like all this food. You know, like just like just being here and just continuously work, right? Yeah, this happens. I'm hoping that like by you watching my videos and these vlogs of mine, and like you can see that, you know, there are deadlines to meet, and you know, there is a person like putting all these videos together one after another. Hopefully now you can appreciate the video even more, right? So maybe that'll be the point of this video, just you hoping you appreciate the work that goes into a video. Not only did we travel, not only did, you know, Paul have to go and, you know, physically be in locations, meeting people, walking around, carrying his equipment, you know, dealing with the weather and all that shit. You know, my ass is here sitting on the same spot, trying to like keep myself from going crazy, you know, drinking my caffeine to stay up, you know, fucking working here. Yeah, it's just, it's a lot of work, you know. These events are a lot of work, so, but yeah, they're, at the same time, they are fun. As you saw, my first videos, you know, traveling, you know, got to like the top of Taipei 101 and all the good stuff. I'm kind of glad that this video was just nothing but me stuck in the room to show you that this happens, right? It's funny, like there are moments I'm here working for so much, and then I step outside, I'm like, oh yeah, that's right, I'm in Taiwan. It's like, fuck. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Like I said, I want to finish early tomorrow morning. I want to have like my afternoon done tomorrow so I can go out and eat, and I am, fuck it, you know. If for whatever reason I don't finish all the videos, then, you know, whatever, fuck, I'll take a video or 2 home, then it's not a problem. But yeah, I definitely want to go out tomorrow and meet up with some people, because there's always a blast, right? Meet up with people that you haven't seen for a while. So anyways, I'm gonna end the video here. Thanks so much. If you made it this long, then thank you. If you just like watching me sit in my room, talk about me being in a room all day editing videos. Hope it's some form of entertainment for you. But anyways, thanks for hanging out with me. Really appreciate it. See you tomorrow. Peace.